Well, good morning, Homesteading with Butch. How y'all doing today? Got a new video for y'all today. Well, before we get started with this video, I want y'all to go down there and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Today, got these double doors here. We're going to be taking them out, putting up metal frames and metal doors. Alright, we'll get back with you.
Coming at you this morning, folks, from the Best of Butch.
You already messed up. Man, look at this guy.
Take two. Good morning, folks. Coming at you from the Homestead with Butch YouTube page. What a blessing it is to have another day to serve the Lord and to honor Him by what we do. For the Bible says, whatever you do, do it as unto the Lord. So this morning we've got old Butch up here. He's going to replace some church doors. I'll show you what we've got that need replacing. This one right here, followed by the one back there in the back. Just doors that just could use a little more security. And so Butch has accepted the call, and he's going to do a little bit of work. Butch, how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
Butch has been struggling with some allergies as of late, but he's going to overcome. And if nothing else, that kind of sickness will put hair on his chest. So it'll be good for him.
We'll have wide open spaces where everybody get in.
Say that again.
I said, if I don't get feeling better, we'll have a wide open space where everybody get in.
And that'll be all right too, because it's going to have your name all over it. So, well, folks, hope you're having a wonderful day, and we'll be coming back at you shortly to show you the finished product one more time. I want you to see what he's working on, and then number two, I want you to see that he's actually doing the work. I know that's a shocker, but he's doing it.
Big time sucker.
Signing off.
Okay, folks, welcome back. All right, there's the doors in. Show you what it looks like. Old doors out, new doors in. Looking good, looking good. We got to put all the hardware on them. Let's close them up, look at them. Don't look too bad, some good solid metal doors, metal frame. All I gotta do is trim up and put some hardware on it. Alright. I'll get back with you in a little bit later when we start getting all the hardware on. Alright, bye-bye. Alright, coming at you this morning, folks, with Homesteading with Butch. Hey, we're back at the church. I'll show you what we got done yesterday. See the doors. Hurry up. And there's inside. You see them open and close. Open, close, good. Now, we are going to tackle these doors. Get these off here and get them out of the way. Okay, so that's what we got planned today, guys. No, I'm not filming much, but tearing out doors and putting them in is not the funnest thing in the world. But I will show you what they look like when they're done. I still got to paint these and trim them out and shoot some foam in there, but mostly they are done. Don't look too bad. All right, well, I appreciate y'all joining in. Y'all have a great day. Bye.